Hello everyone, welcome to Production Music Live. This is Joao, and in this video we are going to take a look at our new progressive melodic techno template. We are going to listen to the track from start to finish, and then I'm going to focus on some of the individual elements, processing and sound design. So let's start by listening to the full track. Okay, so let's start breaking this track down. First, we have the low-end group. Let's listen to that. The kick drum is from Deep Premium Volume 5 that just released. I added an extra one just in case you don't like the first one. You can use this one. This one is more present in the mix. This one is a little bit deeper. On the second part of the track, there is a bass variation here. Okay, then we have the track Super Toms and this mid percussion loop. The mid percussion loop is from Deep Premium Volume 5 as well. There's a lot of great stuff in this new pack. Let's listen to the Super Toms. And the loop as well. Okay, then we have the drums group, which has all the drum elements, hi-hats, snares, claps, all that stuff. So let's listen to that. Most of the hi-hats are from Deep Premium Volume 2. And we have a lot of stuff from Volume 5 as well. All of the drum elements are coming from PML sample packs. And some of the effects as well. We'll get there in a minute. So let's continue to listening to the individual stuff. Let's hear a different part. So it's very important that only the drums, even without any other instruments like synths and effects, etc. It's very important that the drums by themselves already sound groovy and already make you dance. If you solo the drums and the kick and the bass and you're not dancing, then something's wrong and you need to work more on those drums. So let's keep going. We already have all the percussion stuff and all the drum stuff on. Let's start by adding the pluck group. We have a lot of different plucks on this track. All of the synths are Diva, which is my favorite VST right now, and my favorite soft synth, I mean. We have a low, a mid, and a high pluck. Then we have a couple of arpeggiated plucks and a soft pluck. Let's listen to all of that. Okay, so one thing that I'm noticing is that we are missing most of our effects. I have individual effects on tracks, but most of the times I prefer to use sends and returns. So I have a lot of stuff here in the send department. We have reverb, long reverb with sidechain. We have a delay with sidechain, another delay with reverb and sidechain, another very long delay, and this one as well, a very long delay. So this helps me keep the keep the track coherent, because instead of having 50 tracks all going to different effects, we have a lot of tracks that are going to the same effects. And when we are talking about spaces, like reverb, it's important to have some of your tracks on the same space instead of having 50 tracks in 50 different spaces, which gets a little bit confusing for your brain. So let's listen to this. Let's listen to different parts. Okay, without the leads sounds completely different, so there's a lot of stuff you can do with this template. Let's add the leads and see how this goes. Okay, we have some atmospheres as well in audio. This one is from the Analog Techno Synthshot spec. We have a lot of great stuff there. Then we have this atmospheric arpeggio. We have this low arc main sound. We have two pads. We have percussion effects in audio. That sounds something like this. This one is reversed. And it's also from the Deep Premium Volume 5 sound pack. Then we have a couple of atmospheric effects. These ones were recorded from my hardware scenes. I think this one was from... They both were from Korg Minilog, not sure. Yeah, just adding some nice effects on the background. We have a vocal sample. Ethnic flute. Another one. Couple of ethnic woodwind samples. And then we get to our effects area, which is small audio samples like this sonar, crash reverse, this eye effect. Let's listen to it. This one is from Deep Premium Volume 1. Yeah, I really like this one. I use it a lot on a lot of tracks. Some noise audio samples. And then we have noise coming from Diva with a lot of automation. You can do a lot by automating the decay and the filter cutoff frequency on a noise like this one. Right, and then we have this Diva effect. Sort of LFO-ish, sort of arpeggiated. It's also adding some ambience to our track and helping to keep things fresh here and there. And basically that's it. Then we have the mastering chain. Nothing fancy here, just a simple loudness increase. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this new progressive melodic techno style. It's great for the dance floor. There's a lot of stuff that you can simply drag and drop and use into your tracks. A lot of great samples, a lot of great presets. So stay tuned for more from Production Music Live. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.